There is another fast way to write and run Python code directly without creating files through the Python shell or interpreter. However, the code will not be saved and will be deleted once this shell is closed, unlike writing the code inside a file. Python is an interpreter language. It means it executes the code line by line. Python provides a Python shell, which is used to execute a single Python command and get the result. Python shell waits for the input command from the user. As soon as the user enters the command, it executes it and displays the result. To open the Python shell on Windows, open the command prompt and write Python and press enter. As you can see here, a Python show the output in the next line. Let's write the print function to print hello world. This is our statement here, and we'll click enter after that to see the output. As you can see here, the result is clear, and it is the hello world message. You can also complete a calculation here. As you can see, the result of multiplying 10 to 10 is 100. It is very simple. You can do any mathematical calculations here. Try yourself to write the first program and create arithmetic operations to get the result using the Python shell. And if you encounter any problems, don't hesitate to ask me and I'll answer you as soon as possible. I'll here to help you all the time. Thanks a lot for watching. See you again next lesson.